Welcome to today's daily message. From now through Saturday, I want to offer some selections from Pope Francis's newest encyclical, Fratelli, Tutti, which means all of us are brothers and sisters. This week, I will focus on chapter 2 of the document, a chapter which is entitled A Stranger on the Road. In this chapter, Francis addresses the attitude that we should have toward those who are different from us, those who are, quote, the strangers in our world, those who are foreigners, those who are from other countries, other races, other ethnicities, other faiths. And so today I want to read number 61 from Fratelli Tutti, which talks about the biblical foundation for treating the foreigner. Pope Francis says, in the oldest texts of the Bible, we find a reason why our hearts should expand to embrace the foreigner. It derives from the enduring memory of the Jewish people that they themselves had once lived as foreigners in Egypt. You shall not wrong or oppress a stranger, for you were strangers in the land of Egypt. You shall not oppress a stranger. You know the heart of a stranger, for you were strangers in the land of Egypt. When a stranger resides with you in your land, you shall not do him wrong. The stranger who resides with you shall be to you as the citizen among you. You shall love the stranger as yourself, for you were strangers in the land of Egypt. When you gather the grapes of your vineyard, do not glean what is left. It shall be for the sojourner, the orphan, and the widow. Remember that you were a slave in the land of Egypt. The Pope goes on to say this: the call to fraternal love echoes throughout the New Testament. For the whole law is summed up in a single commandment: you shall love your neighbor as yourself. Whoever loves a brother or sister lives in the light, and in such a person there is no cause for stumbling. But whoever hates another believer is in the darkness. We know that we have passed from death to life because we love one another. Whoever does not love abides in death. Those who do not love a brother or sister whom they have seen cannot love God, whom they have not seen. Thank you so much for watching today.